Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Ms. Zhang. In our home, we love lamb, and today, I'm going to show you how to make a bold and aromatic classic Uyghur Cumin Lamb. This is one of my favorite dishes, thanks to its incredible cumin flavor. You can serve this Cumin Lamb with rice. Or if you happen to run out of rice, it happens, believe me, it happens so many times. Just serve it with homemade tortillas. It's still going to be delicious. Let's start by mincing 2 cloves of garlic. Then, slice about 4 pieces of ginger. And mince those as well. Chop up a bunch of cilantro. We'll add it near the end to brighten up the dish. Let's begin with the meat prep. We'll be working with 1 pound of lamb shoulder. In order to achieve great texture, take your lamb shoulder and cut the meat into medium pieces so you can easily examine the grain. This step is important to get that tender, easy-to-chew texture. You want to slice thinly against the grain. This shortens the fibers and gives you a much more tender bite. Slice the meat into thin, bite-sized pieces, around 1/8 inch thick. This not only improves tenderness, but also helps the lamb cook quickly and absorbs the marinade more efficiently. It's time to marinate. In a mixing bowl, add the sliced lamb and season it with Shaoxing rice wine, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, ground white pepper. And now for the most important ingredient in this dish, ground cumin seed powder. Cumin gives this recipe its signature aroma and flavor, warm, earthy, and just a little smoky. Then minced ginger and garlic with a generous pinch of salt. Give everything a thorough mix so the lamb is evenly coated. Let it marinate for at least 15 to 30 minutes, or longer if you have the time. This allows the flavors to fully penetrate the meat. Now heat a wok or heavy skillet over high heat. Once hot, add a few tablespoons of neutral oil. When the oil is shimmering, it's time to cook. Add the marinated lamb to the pan in a single layer. You may need to do this in batches. Stir-fry quickly, letting the meat brown and caramelize on the outside. The high heat will help seal in the juices and develop a deep, savory flavor. Once the lamb is nicely seared and nearly cooked through, now add an extra dash of not grounded cumin seeds for that final punch of flavor. If you like heat, you can also add crushed dried chilies or chili flakes at this stage. Toss thoroughly to ensure all the ingredients are evenly and finely mixed. Stir-fry together until fragrant. Finally, turn off the heat and stir in the fresh cilantro. Let the residual heat gently wilt it, releasing that fresh, citrusy note that balances the richness of the lamb. Look, what a beautiful dish we just achieved here! Now let's talk about how to enjoy this dish. The traditional way to eat Cumin Lamb is with Uyghur-style naan, a firm, slightly chewy flatbread that soaks up the juices and balances the spices. But if you don't have naan today, don't worry. You can go with rice, that would be perfect too. Or just as I am doing it here, a homemade tortilla works beautifully. Wrap the Cumin Lamb inside to make a quick, satisfying burrito. It's not traditional, but it's a delicious and practical twist for everyday cook. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this dish as much as I do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.